Good morning, young friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. I am coming up with some concepts on maxima and minima. You will find they are very easy. Here are my notes. Maxima and minima. The other name for this is extremum, either maximum or minimum. Altogether, this is called extremum. So, what is the necessary condition to exist an extremum? कहने का मतलब है मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम के लिए मस्ट कंडीशन क्या है, नेसेसरी कंडीशन क्या है? द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ एक्सट्रीमम, इधर f dash x should be equal to 0 or f dash x does not exist, or both. So सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? We have to put f dash x is equal to 0, and from there we will find the value of x. That is called the critical point. Now here I come with my notes on concepts. Maxima. Whenever word maxima is there, it means local maximum is there. So a function fx is said to be maximum at x is equal to a if there exists a very small positive h such that fx is less than fa, and that neighborhood is x belongs to a minus h comma a plus h. And what is minima? A function is said to be minimum at x is equal to a if fa is less than all the fx in its neighborhood, and the neighborhood is a minus h comma a plus h. Look here, this is the graph I have made, make you understand where are local maxima and local minima. This is local maximum, this is local minimum, local maximum, local minimum, local maximum, and like this. ये सबसे ज़्यादा ऊंची चोटी है. Take it as mountain. This is the top of the mountain. It is topmost. That is why it is called absolute maximum. And supposing this is in the valley side, lowermost, this will be called absolute minimum. So absolute maximum, absolute minimum. So let us go further. Let us try to understand absolute maximum and absolute minimum properly. The other name for absolute maximum is global maximum. A function f has an absolute maximum or global maximum at x is equal to c if fc is greater than fx for all x in the domain, where d is the domain. Fc is called the maximum value or maxima, that is global maxima. Now, in this case, absolute minimum or global minimum, they are the same thing. A function f has an absolute minimum if at x is equal to c if fc is less than equal to all the fx, that is x belonging to the domain, and fc is called this global minimum. Now some important notes are there. The maximum and minimum points are also known as extremum points. Extremum are extreme points. Second note is a function may have more than one maximum or minimum points in the interval. Third note is a maximum value of a function is in an interval is not necessarily its greatest value in that interval. Next is, if a continuous function has only one maximum or minimum point, then at this point function has its greatest and least value. एक ही पॉइंट है, वही ग्रेटेस्ट होगा, वही लीस्ट होगा. So monotonic functions, monotone means one tone, or increasing or decreasing functions do not have extreme points. There is no maxima or minima in case of either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Now let us go to next note. How to find maximum and minimum? There are two methods. फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव मेथड, ये पुरानी टेक्निक है. सेकंड डेरिवेटिव, ये फास्ट टेक्निक है. आजकल आप देखते हैं घर पे आप ब्लड प्रेशर देख लो, शुगर देख लो, बीपी देख लो, कुछ भी देख लो, घर पे बैठे बैठे आप सब देख सकते हैं. इवन कोरोना का भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. वेरी फास्ट टेक्निक. यू need not be queue up in a line in the hospital. So you can do it fastly at your place. So second method is very short method, but first derivative method takes a bit more time. Now this is step one. Whenever you want to find out the maximum or minima, the must condition is you will get f dash x equal to 0. From there you will get turning points or stationary points or critical points. यहीं पे ही मैक्सिमम होगा इस इन्हीं पॉइंट्स के ऊपर, और मिनिमम होगा. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज पुट f dash x equal to 0. Second step, once you come to know the turning point, you find what is before the turning point. The value of f dash x is positive, and after the turning point, if the value of the f dash x is negative, it is maximum. It is going up, then going down. If f dash x is negative before the turning point and it is positive after the turning point, then it is minimum. So now let us go to the fast technique. F double dash x. Find the derivative of the derivative, that is second derivative. Put the turning point from step 1 in the double derivative, that is f double dash x. If it is positive, you will get minimum. If it is negative, you will get maximum. So this is what is all that. And let us take one example. Find the local maxima and local minimum values of the function. Function is fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. What is the step 1? Put f dash x equal to 0. Put f dash x equal to 0. So its derivative is 6x minus 12. Now look here, the derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of 6x square is 12x, derivative of 9x is 9. Put it equal to 0. From here you will get the value, you will have two factors and you will get two values because it is a quadratic. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 will be the turning points. That is from step 1 what we get the turning points. At this turning point let us find the value of f double dash x. अब देखिए इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालिए, 2x minus 4 हो जाएगा. So put the value of x is equal to 1, you will get negative 2, it is maximum. If you put x is equal to 3, you will get minimum. So from here you get maximum and minimum values. This is how you have to find it. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos. You will find that maximum minima is very easy. Thank you.